Hello students, today we are going to read the summary and theme of very well-known autobiographical novel To Serve with Love by E.R. Braithwaite. He was a Guyanese-born British-American novelist, writer, teacher and diplomat, best known for his stories of social condition and racial discrimination against black people. He was the author of one of the famous 1959 autobiographical novels. To Serve with Love is an autobiographical novel in which we come to know that the narrator is an engineer, but to make both ends meet, he accepts the job of a teacher in a rough London East End school. The school is full of troublemaker students who were rejected from other schools for their behavior. At the beginning, the narrator is ridiculed and bullied by the students, but later his calm demeanor and desire to see them succeed gradually earn him their respect. First, we'll see the main character of the story, the novel. The major characters are Ricky Braithwaite, he is the narrator, Gillian Blanchard, Mrs. Dale Evans, Denham, Pamela Dare, and Mr. Florian. The minor characters of the novel are Bob Belmont, Jacqueline Bender, Clinty, Selma Drew, Hackman, Moira Joseph, Palmer, Euphema Phillips, Jane Purcell, Lar Seals, Jess Belmont, Buckley, Josie Dawes, Patrick Furman, Titch Jackson, Monica Page, Barbara Pegg, Potter, Sapiano, Theo Watson. Now let's see the summary. To Serve with Love is a work of fiction based on the life of the author. Means work of fiction means it is a story written on the life of the author E.R. Braithwaite. The main character, he is the main character of the story. E.R. Braithwaite works as an engineer in an oil refinery. He served in the Royal British Air Force in the war when the Second World War took place. After the war, being a black person, he was unable to find employment. Means after that war, many racial differences or discrimination among the people were taking place. So because of that, what happened? He was unable to find the job. As a last resort, he applied in school to become a teacher. Means as he had no other option, he had to apply for the job of a teacher. Surprisingly, he is accepted at the Greenslade School in London's East End, and to his surprise, he got the job in Greenslade School, which was in London East End, and is set to teach senior classes of the school, and he is appointed to teach the senior classes, means you can say 11th and 12th standard of the school, higher classes of the school. While reading the novel, we have to understand that the time period in which the story takes place is very important. Means when we read the novel, we have to understand at that time when this story took place, what was the condition. And that is very important because though that condition, if influence you can see in the story. Braithwaite finds that even though he considered himself British and has served in the Royal Air Force, the English do not consider him to be one of them. Means here the writer, he tells, though he considered himself British and he has served in the Royal Air Force, but the Britishers does not consider himself writer as the British because he was black. This leads Braithwaite to feel bitter about English and colonialism. Means that why he feels very bitter. Means he hates them. He does not like them. The English and colonialism, that period, as well as about his white student and also about his students, white students. Braithwaite's teaching position starts out roughly and is embarrassed time and again. Means when he started his teaching profession, that period was very rough, means very troublesome for him, and he is really embarrassed for that whatever had happened in the early days of his teaching time. He considered his students disrespectful, ill mannered, and mischievous. Means the students whom he was teaching at that time, they were very disrespectful. They did not respect the teacher. They were very ill mannered. They didn't use. They used to use bad language for the teacher, and they were very mischievous. They used to cause trouble to the teacher. While his students considered him to be an arrogant outsider, and the student also used to consider narrator Braithwaite as an arrogant outsider, unfamiliar with the social environment in which they have grown up. Means these students, they have grown up in a particular environment. You can say they come from a place where you cannot expect them to be very you can say polite or well mannered, and when the teacher, the writer, is trying to correct them, they feel that this man is very arrogant. The students harass him from day one. From the day one when he was appointed as their teacher, they started troubling him, slamming their desks during his lecture. Means when he was teaching, that time they used to slam their desk, using foul language, use bad language, bullying him to a great extent, means troubling him so that he responds in to their behavior in a very you can say angry way, try to trouble him a lot. Even the girl students did not spare a moment to harass Braithwaite. It was not only the boys of the class who used to trouble him or bully him. It was the girl students were also there, and they used to also trouble Braithwaite. In reaction to that, Braithwaite verbally scolds the girl for acting in an unladylike manner and being unruly in the class. Means Braithwaite was surprised that girls are also behaving in that way. So he scolds them, and he tells them that girls should not be like that. They should be very well mannered and polite. And as they are in the class, so there are certain rules they have to follow. They should not misbehave in the class. When he understands that his outburst has not gained him any respect and cooperation from the students, he changes his teaching and handling tactics. Means when he understands, now when they were troubling him, bullying him, slamming the desk during the lecture and all, so he used to scold them, but it did not gain any respect. Means they were not trying to understand why he was scolding them. Instead of listening to him, what they were reacting in a very aggressive manner. So he thought that he should change the teaching and handling tactics. He decides to interact with them as though they are adults and respectful person. Now he thinks and he decides that now when I am teaching them, and when they are not behaving properly, I am scolding them, it is of no use. So now what I am going to do, I am going to use the other way. Means I am going to deal them as very respectable person, as though they are adults. And he requires every girl to be referred to as Miss, and that his students call him Sir. Means he tells the student that from now onwards each and every one will speak with each other with respect, and now to girls I will refer to them as Miss, and they have to call to him as Sir. At first the students find this level of deference ridiculous. Means deference means great respect. Means they felt that why he is behaving like that, why he wants us to call him sir and he will call us miss, why he is doing all this. However, they come around after only a few weeks, completely changing both their hygiene and their attitude towards one another. But after, in the story you will come to know that after few weeks you will find there was a change in the students in both their hygiene as well as in their attitudes. This marks the success of Braithwaite in handling the students in very amicable way, and because of that we come to know that he was successful in his idea of handling them in a very, you can say, different way. To increase the class cultural exposure, he takes them on field trips and excursions to museum and theaters. Means to increase the class cultural to know, he wanted the students to know how the upper class people or well educated class people, how they behave, how they move around, how they interact with each other. He wanted the students to know all this. So because of that, what happened, he took the students to field trips and excursion to museums and theaters. To everyone's surprise, many of the students have never been, and this students, set of students whom he was you can see changing them in their behavior, attitude and all, these students have never been out. A white female teacher, Gillian Blanchard, accompanies the class on this excursion, and one white teacher also accompanied Braithwaite with these students. This marks the beginning of a friendship between Blanchard and Braithwaite. They became friends. Similarly, Braithwaite's relationship his student is tested many a times, and you will come to know in the story that his relationship with his student, how it is been tested, means what happened, you'll come to know in the story. Although his students frequently disappoint and hurt him, he learns to forgive them. The students constantly surprise him with their maturity, empathy, and knowledge. Here you will come to know in the story that frequently the student disappoint and hurt him. Means when he felt that the reaction which he wanted or response which he wanted from the student, he was not getting. First, he was not getting those response from the students, and they were behaving in a, you can say, very opposite way of his thought. And now what, still he did not lose his patience. He used to forgive them, and after few days he realized, or he came to know, he saw those changes in the student, because they started responding to him in a very mature way. Or empathy means having the feeling, understanding other person's feeling, and he also came to know that they have some knowledge. Another facet of the story, means another side of the story here, To Serve with Love, you will come to know, which greatly affects its narrative, lies the heavy history of colonialism. Means in this story, it is not only you will come to know about student teacher relationship, you will also come to know about colonialism, racism, and its effect, which is there on the society, what effect it had on the students also and the teacher also. Its dark consequences, means its effect, mental and physical trauma that increases Braithwaite's hatred and wrath for British, and why he you can say hated British people. He constantly feels the prejudicial effects of colonialism, means the adverse opinion about the colonialism, why they used to treat black people like that while living in England after World War II. And these negative experiences frequently shape his thoughts and action. Braithwaite is surprised and shocked by the condition in which this student live. Means he was surprised to know about the condition in which these students were living, and also the physical trauma of the war that can be seen throughout his teaching environment. And you will also come to know about the physical trauma, means what was the impact or effect of the war, that also you will come to know in this teaching environment. This was the summary. Now let's see the theme of the novel. See, student teacher relationship. What is the theme of the novel? What you will come to know here, you will come to know about student teacher relationship. Prejudice means adverse opinion, then racism, black and white, are the major themes of this novel. These three themes are you will see in this novel. The story is based on these three themes. E.R. Braithwaite get a job of a teacher in a rather rough and notorious school. Means the students of the school are very troublesome. He finds that the student belong to a background that is not suitable for learning. Means they come from a place that is not suitable for learning. It is not from, you can say, well, they are not from very well to do family, and their overall development and progress. He notices that the students are in no mood to change their attitude and behavior. Means here the student they don't want to change their self. Braithwaite, with his novel and creative ideas, innovative techniques, and understanding the student psychology, ultimately wins their hearts in no time. Though in starting of the story, we come to know that they used to trouble him, bully him, slam the desk while he was giving lecture and all. But later on, though you will come to know that through his innovative techniques and understanding the psychology of the student, making them understand it more nicely, he wins the heart of the student. Though he was bullied, harassed, mentally and physically tortured many times, he didn't lose his patience and continued implementing his novel ideas and techniques that help him to bring a significant change in his students' lives. Means here we come to know that though they used to trouble him a lot, cause mental and physical torture to him, he did not lose his patience. He still used very novel ideas and techniques to teach them and make them understand it very nicely, which changed the lives of the student. The racism prevalent in Great Britain during mid 1940s, means that in mid 1940s racism was there in Great Britain. The time period during which To Serve with Love takes place, means this was the time period of mid 1940s when this To Serve with Love took place, is of primary significance in the novel. The narrator cites repeated incidents in which he experiences racism of white Britons. Means he has written many incidents in his novel here, which we come to know that there was racism of white and black, including encounters on the bus, at job interviews, and Green Slate School. Means how the black people were tortured, or you can say troubled, that those incidents are there in this novel, where on the encounter on the bus or job interview, how they are treated, or in the Green Slate School, how he was treated by the student, and how he found difficulty in finding a house for himself, in the restaurant also, and so on. At the outset, Braithwaite is struck by unexpectedness of such prejudice. He was brought up in British Guiana and he viewed himself as British citizen. Means British Guiana. Guiana here means a geological region in north of South America, and that is why he called himself as British citizen, not as a black British citizen in British colony. When he served at Great Britain in the Royal Air Force, that gave him respect and esteem in the society. Means he was serving as an engineer in Royal Air Force, and because of that he you can say earned lot of respect and esteem in the society. The day he left the job, he find himself to be an outsider. Means the day he left his job, he was not at all respected in the society. Braithwaite's extensive experience and education was no use in job interviews. Means though he was very educated and experienced person in job, when later on he was looking out for a job, it did not help him. Where he is informed that the job has already been filled or he is overqualified for it. Means wherever he went, the answer used to be that the job has already been filled, there is no vacancy, or he is overqualified for the position here. This heightens Braithwaite's sense of betrayal for the British. Means he started hating them. Interestingly, he never lashes out physically and only rarely does he do so verbally. But you will find he never, you can say, lashes out, means he never shows his anger physically. Whenever he is angry somewhere, you will, sometimes he used to verbally say something for the bad for the Britishers, but he never used to physically do anything. He exhibits patience and patient endurance at time. Means every time you will find he shows patience, endurance, means his stamina, means with he had lot of patience within him, and because of that he used to control himself. And at others he describes the way he exhibits patient endurance at times, and at others he describes the way the rage inside him is transforming into hatred so strong that he desired to hurt those who treat him unfairly. Means he says, as he is not he is not able to outburst his anger. What happened here? As he is controlling the anger, because of that, what happened? It is transforming into hatred, or a strong desire to hurt the people who are not treating him as a British citizen and they are considering him as a black person. As a result of such experiences, Braithwaite finds the student at the Greenslade School to be a bit notorious and rough in behavior, but with proper care and treatment, all the students would surely achieve success and desired goals in their lives. Means because of that experience only he feels the students in the Greenslade School, they are very notorious and rough, they do not behave with the teacher nicely, but still with very innovative techniques and very patiently handling them, he feels that now the students can achieve success and their desired goals in their lives. I hope you have understood the summary and the theme of the novel. Tomorrow we'll see the remaining part of it. Thank you.